County manager resign over the MedStar scandal. Karen Hawes has been in the loop for months about the problems with that emergency helicopter service, but apparently didn't tell county commissioners about any of the problems. And that has many of you pretty fired up. And sharing your views.
Step down. That's what outgoing Lee County Commissioner Brian Bigelow is saying to Karen Hawes.
I think you've lost the support of this board.
Commissioners not cutting Hawes any slack at their last meeting, discussing how MedStar officials were able to overbill patients using the service by hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now the mess is being investigated by the feds, which could come with hefty fines taxpayers would have to pick up.
I wasn't informed. You weren't informed. Nobody was informed on a serious issue that shut down a program that we've got 20 million tax dollars invested in.
I think maybe in the best interest of the county, you might want to have a discussion with the chairman and negotiate an end to you being the county manager.
Meanwhile, Hawes maintains her innocence.
Nothing has been done illegal. If anything, there is a mistake.
But many of you aren't so sure. Joe texting in, I have lost confidence with not only the county manager, but MedStar management in general. She doesn't answer the tough questions. Another text coming in, I feel all three should be replaced and MedStar reinstated with competent managers. And this comment posted on our Fox 4 website says, I urge everyone to contact the Board of County Commissioners and ask them for the termination of Ms. Hawes. Colleen Hogan, Fox 4 in your corner.
You can voice your view on this right now when you go to Fox 4 Now and click on Viewer's Voice, or call us, or just send us a text, 239-206, Fox 4.